Hi, Mark T the Handyman here. Today, we're going to reset and reprogram our Nest Doorbell.
This is the key that comes with the Nest Doorbell. If for some reason you misplaced or lost the key, a safety pin or something similar will work fine. First, we will have to remove the doorbell from the doorbell's base. This is a picture of the doorbell base from underneath the doorbell. This is where the release hole is located. And this is where you will put the tool in the bottom of the doorbell. So now we're going to place the doorbell tool in the bottom hole, and that will release the doorbell from its base. All you need to do is to push the tool up into the hole in the Nest Doorbell base, and that will release the doorbell from its base. Here is the photo of the back of the doorbell. The hole on the back is where we will reset the doorbell. We can either reset the Nest Doorbell and then reprogram the doorbell, or we can put the Nest Doorbell back to the original factory settings. Resettings should be used when you have problems with the doorbell. Factory reset will put the Nest Doorbell back into its original factory settings, which you would do if you are moving from your house or giving someone your doorbell. Factory reset will erase all information from your Nest Doorbell. Today, we're going to reset the Nest Doorbell to its factory settings. So first, we're going to push the doorbell button and then push the tool into the back of the doorbell through the hole. If you hold it for 5 seconds, you will hear the doorbell chimes. At this point, the doorbell has been reset. Because we are resetting the Nest Doorbell to its original factory settings, we will hold the tool in the hole for 5 seconds more. After that, we will remove the tool and the chimes will sound again. Now the doorbell has been reset back to its original factory settings. Next, you will need to go to the Nest phone app. In the top right corner is the setting button. When you push that icon, it will take you to the settings. Now, scroll down the first page until you get to where it says Add Product. Push the Add Product icon. That will take you to the next step where it is going to ask you to scan the QR code. The QR code is located on the bottom of the back side of the Nest Doorbell. Once you scan the QR code, it will now place you in the setup mode. At this point, it's just a matter of reading the instructions and going through the setup process. The instructions are going to ask you to make sure that your voltage is what the doorbell will accept, which is 24 volts in this case. Next, it's going to remind you of the conditions that the doorbell will work in, such as weather conditions. Now, you are going to be asked some simple questions. You will need to confirm these as needed. Next, you will be asked if your internet is on the page that you are looking at. Once you find your internet, press on it and the internet will then ask you for your password. After your password has been added, you will be connected to your internet router. This will take a couple of minutes, but when it's finished, it will go to the next page, which is the finishing the installation page. That will also take a couple of minutes. After that, it will tell you that your doorbell has been added to your app. Once you push the next button, you'll be able to see the view from the doorbell camera. Then it's going to ask you to try your doorbell. If you have chimes, you will be walked through the setup of the chimes and then asked if they are working properly. If they are working, then congratulations, you are finished.
If you like this video, give me a thumbs up or a like. If you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.